Hello guys, my name is Epayos Tech and welcome to my channel. So today what we are going to be doing today is a class for beginners in Microsoft Office Word, and what we are going to be doing today is how to open your Word application, and then I will just explain few things there, and then the next video we'll be talking about how to save on Word and how to start our first document. So today we are opening the Word application. So as you can see on the screen, the Word application is there, but if you don't have the Word application here, so you can also go to your search bar, then you find it there, then you start also. So let's try start. Click on start, then you type in your word here. So and here it is. So you can just open from here, or instead you come to your search bar also, you click on this place, search word also, then this is it here, application. So and then also you can also use this place. So let me open the Word application from this place now. So after opening it, let me maximize. So after opening it, in this particular place, this particular section, you are having home section, you have new section, you have open section, and this open section is it is a section that is meant for, let me open it. It is a section that is meant for your recent files, your recent document. So where you save them to. Is it PC? Is it cloud? Because there is what we call cloud in Microsoft. So is it your Microsoft you save it to, or wherever? So you can browse it from here. And then these are the recent document I've worked on my own Word. So if you're not having this yet, don't worry. When you start working on your own Word also, you'll be having recent documents. So let's go on and open a new document now. So you're going to click on blank document. So don't worry yourself about all these ones. They are formats, they are template for you to work on. You see this one, it says single space blank. We have bold modern resume. So if you want to create a resume, you can use it. If you want to create a snapshot calendar, you can use Word also. So they are all templates for you to work on. So let's just go to blank documents now. So after opening blank document, you are going to see this display, and this one is home display. This one is then on this particular line, they are called tabs. Word tabs. And down part of it is called ribbons. So this place we are having home tab and then the ribbons. This place we are having insert tab and then the ribbons, then draw tab and then the ribbons of draw tab. So the same thing as design, layout, reference and the likes. So let us come to home now. You see this home, this place is where you start. It is like the background, the foundation of your work on Word. So with the help of this home tab, first thing first, you can start typing your document. So the other design that comes in after are the help of insert, draw, and then you can still design through this place also. But as we go deeper into it, you will understand. So today, like I said, what we'll be discussing is how to open documents. So how to open Word on your laptop, and that we have done today. So the next video you'll be seeing is going to be about how we can save on our Word. How you can save, you can open your first document. You've opened first document now, so how you can save it will be done in the next video. And then we are going to also talk about how we can start our first document, which is typing our first document. So please guys, I want you to like, comment, subscribe onto the channel, and then share the video so others can see and benefit, so we can have more video of this also. Thank you.